friends, so today we are going to design these exercises. We are going to create these exercises by using Solidworks software. I hope you enjoy. Let's start. Open Solidworks, file on new part. Okay, choose top plane, escape, choose center rectangle, and start from drawing this side 96 and this length, this width is equal 48, and extrude up to 15. Okay, start from origin, okay, assign dimension 96, 48. Okay, features, extrude up 15. Okay, good. So we are going to cut this cutout, have 16 and cut through 24. Okay, select this face, normal, choose corner rectangle, start from this corner, assign dimensions, give it this side 16. Okay, it's okay. Isometric, features, cut extrude up 24. From here up to the here we have 24. Cut 24, so 24. Okay, this is okay. So select this cutout, mirror, choose right plane. Okay, you see, this is good. So now we are going to cut this one. So we have 24 from here up to this one, and from this side up to this line we have 20. You see, so we are going to cut this 24, cut extrude up to 16. Okay, select this face, normal, corner rectangle, start from this side up to this one, a small dimension from this length, from this one, this side up to this, have 20, from this one up to this, have 20. Okay, and from this one up to this line also you have 20. Okay, okay, isometric, features, extrude cut. We are going to extrude cut up to 16. You see, okay, extrude cut 16. Okay, say okay. You see, this is good. So we are going to cut this angle 45 degrees, and this side it is 10. Okay, this side measures 10, and this one have 45 degrees. Okay, I'm going to show you this. Click this face, normal, select line, choose line, start from this side up to this one. Okay, okay, bring this. Okay, smart dimension, select this one up to this, give it 10. Okay, you see, 10, and then give this angle 45. Okay, select this one up to this, give 45 degrees. Okay, you see my sketch is full defined. Okay, isometric, Okay, features, cut the extrude, blind, lower. Okay, you see, select this, cut extrude 3, mirror about right plane. You see, okay, you see it is mirrored to this side. This is good. Okay, you see. So you are going to cut this on the base. Have measure 10 and the width height it is 10 and the width it is 6. Okay, let me show you. Select this face, normal, choose corner rectangle. Okay, start from this corner. Okay, same dimension, we have 10. Okay, this we have 6. Okay, this is good. Isometric. Okay, features, extrude cut, blind, lower. Okay, you see. So select this, cut extrude 4, mirror about front plane. You see it is going to be mirrored on another side. Okay, say okay, this is good. So according to exercises, we are going to give this rib have 45 degrees and this length side measures 10. Okay, let's show you. Select front plane, normal, choose line, sketch line. Okay, 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 you see my sketch is underdefined, so let me check. I'm going to measure this angle 45. Okay, dimension, measure this angle, give it 45. Okay, you see my sketch is now fully defined. This is good, isometric. So go to features, extrude both base, blind, midi plane. It is then extruded up to 10. Okay, you see, choose 10. Okay, this is good. So you see my sketch is now looking good. So then select this extrude both base, select this extrude both, mirror about right plane. You see it is going to be copied on another side. Say okay, you see this is good. So friends, this is how to design different parts by using Solidworks software. So I hope you have enjoyed the video. So you can add appearance, make white blend. Okay, then add appearance according to your need. Select part by default, choose appearance, then you can select any appearance you want. You see this is good. So friends, this is how to create different parts by using Solidworks software. I hope you have enjoyed the videos. Subscribe to our channel to get more.